coat your cake as smooth as you can get the top. And I'm going to show you a very unique way. It's fast, it's simple, it's amazing way to decorate this cake. And then now I'm going to put it in the freezer to harden up the surface for about 20 to 30 minutes. Right now I'm going to take some cocoa and put it in a sifter. And then, this is such a cool way, very simple, neat, classy. It's going to make you look like a pro. I bought two doilies. Sorry, one fell. But I'm going to use the larger one to go on here. And the doilies you can get at a supermarket. And like I said, it's going to make you look like a pro. I'm going to set this right here. And I'm going to put it down gently. I already had my cake in the freezer for about 20 minutes. I'm just going to lightly press just so it stays down while I am sprinkling the cocoa on the cake. And I'm going to liberally sprinkle it all over and just fill in the areas on the doily. And when you've coated it pretty good, you're going to see a really beautiful, unique decoration. And people will wonder how you did it. Like I said, it's going to make you look like a pro. I'm going to take this away. And there you go. Ta-da! Now, what you can do in the next following video, right after this, we're going to be putting a border around it. And we're going to be decorating the sides.